cold. So finally we are here in Hunza, and as you know by now, we are here to try on some of the finest, the most unique cuisines. Right now we have reached Hunza. The weather is very cold yet very pleasant, and we are going to enjoy it. I hope someday you will too. So let's go. And we heard about this place. The first place that we're gonna try is a place called China Xinjiang restaurant, and it has authentic Chinese food straight from the province of Xinjiang. So let's go and find out. Kind of food that we're gonna try. As we talked about, there are three kinds of food that we can find in Hunza, the three main kind of foods, and today the one we're gonna try is the authentic Chinese food straight from the Xinjiang province of China, which borders with Pakistan. And we've heard about this place, which is very famous around the region, and people from all over the region come here for this authentic delights. That's where the restaurant is that we're going to try today, and let's see how it goes, how tasty the food is and how much we enjoy it. We'll let you know, so one day you can try it as well. So we finally reached the Chinese Xinjiang restaurant, and look at that view. Wow, so magnificent. The clouds covering the Pasukons right now. Such majestic mountains. So we're gonna sit here for a while and enjoy the view. And next we're gonna go order our food, meet the chef, and see how it goes. So let's go meet the chef and find out what we can get to eat. अस्सलाम वालेकुम लियाकत साहब, आप हैं? ठीक ठाक। लियाकत साहब कैसे हैं आप? ठीक ठाक। तो बस अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह हम हुंजा को एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। जी। और हमने आपकी फ़ूड के बारे में बहुत दूर दूर से सुना है, तो आज हम वो ट्राई करने आए हैं। तो थोड़ा हम आपसे पहले हम कुछ पूछना चाहेंगे कि आप चाइनीज़ फूड कब से आप बनाते आ रहे हैं और कितना टाइम हो गया आपको?
दिखा देता हूँ कि ये है सर जी मेरे मेन्यू
जी।
तो ये हो गया लगमन, ये इंडिविजुअल है।
सही। और
ये दापंजी है, ये कोई 6 बंदों की फ़ूड होती हैं।
ठीक है।
तो उससे भी तकरीबन 3 से 4 बंदे आराम से, मतलब वो थोड़ा पीस का। फिर नंबरो है, इस तरह ये बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं। लेकिन आप क्या लेना चाहिए, लगमन खाएंगे?
अच्छा,
या
तो आप जो ये फूड बता रहे हैं हमें, तो ये जो चाइना के प्रोविंस है Xinjiang, तो इसमें ऑथेंटिक यही इसी तरह फूड बनता है?
यही उनकी मेन मेन्यू होती है ये।
और जो बाकी जो चाइनीज़ फूड हमें मिलता है, मंचूरियन वगैरह, वो
नहीं वो फिर आपको मिलेगा कॉन्टिनेंटल।
अच्छा, ये ऑथेंटिक चाइनीज़ फूड है, वो कॉन्टिनेंटल में आता है?
जी जी बिल्कुल।
अच्छा, तो आप हमें क्या रेकमेंड करेंगे, हम क्या ट्राई करें, क्या ऐसी चीज़ है जो लाजमी ट्राई करनी चाहिए?
इंडिविजुअल मेरे ख्याल में लगमन के मेरे ख्याल में अच्छा लगेंगे आपको।
ठीक है, लगमन सही हो गया। ठीक है, चलें फिर हम एक लगमन हमारे तैयार करें।
चलो,
हम साथ साथ आपके साथ थोड़ा काम भी करेंगे, थोड़ी आपकी हेल्प भी करेंगे। ठीक है, चलें शुरू।
ये मेरी वाइफ है।
अच्छा, अस्सलाम वालेकुम।
ये आपके नूडल्स बन रहे हैं। तो मैंने पहले ऑयल ऐड किया हुआ है
जी।
तो अब मैं थोड़ा सा चटनी डाल दूँगा बिकॉज टेस्ट देने के लिए। तो ये चटनी आप लोगों के लिए थोड़ा आपके साथ डाल दूँगा ताकि ये इस गोश्त को टेस्ट देने के लिए। और ये है कि गोश्त आप लोगों के लिए बहुत ही
vegetables and all the different ingredients that are being used here. Most of them are authentic ingredients that come from China. Like the noodles I showed you. These noodles, right here, these noodles are straight from China. So we can see that the other kind of Chinese food that we find here, it's not as original or as true to the Chinese culture as the one that Mr. Jafat has carried here today. And we also saw the sauces. This sauce here, this sauce also comes from China. And there's some other, this is red chili pepper. This is also from China. And what is this? This is, okay, this is also some kind of herb. This also comes straight from China. And let's see how far our food is. And you can see that because he is a professional chef, so he's also making it very quickly and on time. And I hope you get to enjoy it very soon because, to be honest, I'm very happy.
After 95 minutes.
अच्छा ये अब आपने दोनों सेपरेट रेडी किया
ये सेपरेट रेडी हो गए
जी।
ये आपके नूडल्स हो गए
सही,
ठीक है। ये बिल्कुल आपके नूडल्स तैयार हो गए
राइट।
अच्छा, अब ऑन द टॉप में ये आप जो वेजिटेबल बनाए थे ये आपके लिए मैं इसमें ऐड कर दूं,
ठीक है।
ये आपके लिए आ गया जी
वेजिटेबल्स और मीट।
वेजिटेबल्स।
अब हम जाएंगे इसको एक खूबसूरत तरीन व्यू के साथ इसको एंजॉय करेंगे
जी जी बिल्कुल।
और आगे देखते हैं। Now we are going to try it. Thank you लियाकत साहब, हम आपको बताएंगे।
Enjoy the food.
Thank you so much. हम आपको। All right, so now it's time to enjoy our food, and you can see that pasta cones in the background. There's some locals here who are here for their delicious food, and we're gonna go find a place to sit. And there's our view. As you can see, we got the food that we were craving so much for, and let's see if the word around the block is true and whatever they say is the truth about this delicious food. To be honest, it looks really good. Like, my mouth is watering right now. All the vegetables, the fresh vegetables from the mountains, the authentic ingredients from China, from the noodles to the sauces and everything, from the corn flour. Everything about this is original and authentic. Now we are going to try it. Let me warn you, I'm not an expert at using chopsticks, so let's see how it goes. Oh my god. This is the best Chinese food I have ever had. The taste of the vegetables, the smell, the aroma is still there. And it doesn't even cancel out the texture, the smell of the meat that they use here. Such crisp yet tender meat. You know, it's not just about the food. It's about the place you eat as well. Right now we're surrounded by all these mountains, these beautiful mountains, clouds in the sky. We are past half moon now, for those following the lunar calendar. And the majesty of all these mountains truly tells you what your worth is in this world. You feel so insignificant. And when you're reminded of your true nature, your true value in this world, only then you can appreciate the things around you. And right now we are appreciating one of the best things about life, that is food. And well, I consider myself a foodie, and so the food I've had so far, it's been mostly hot spicy as well, but this has a totally different range of aromas and different range of tastes. Like my taste buds have been activated like never before. And like I said, this food is, as it comes from China, so, and the local people really like it as well. This tells you that the Pakistan and China cultural exchange is really strong in these parts, this part of the country. And this is one of the indicators of such thing. Thank you for staying us with till the end. As you know, we tried the Chinese food in this episode, and if you want to see us try more of the unique cuisines, stay tuned for more videos. In the next chapter of this food series, we will go to a place called Yak Grill and try the delicious meat of the mountains.